How to turn off Cabify notifications on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can turn off notifications for the Cabify app on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to turn off notifications for maybe the Cabify app that you use on your iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the settings application here, and then simply look for the option called notifications and then tap on it. And once you go to the option called notifications, you can simply look for the Cabify application here. Let's say you find Cabify, just make sure to turn off the toggle next to Cabify over here. Once you do that, notifications will get turned off, but after that you want to go to the option called Siri suggestions, and here again you'll find the app called Cabify, where if you turn off the toggle like this, the notifications for Cabify will get completely turned off. This way you can turn off Cabify notifications on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.